Hi guys, and I welcome you back to Digital Assets. So, as I said in the last video that I will be telling you the useful of this app. So, and all the things that you see in the dashboard. So, I will be telling you everything what by what. So, in the previous video, I've told you about how to do what, how to sign up. So, about how to sign up. But in this video, we'll be checking out all these things that we are seeing here. We are going to talk everything one by one. So, this is going to be introduction to BTCs. So as first, the total supply, I think that is the total supply for BTCs stuff and the hash rate. So and this circulation. So all this one is none of your business. The hash gain is none of your business. The blockage. So all what I want to tell you that is your own business is just starting from next block. So that's, as you can see here, it's ready 2 seconds, 1 second, 0 seconds, and then it will jump back to 10 minutes. Just be watching. As you can see here, 9:55 minutes. So which means we got something in this BTC that we call block. If you see here very well, you can see like 30 blocks participated in 30 blocks here. So which means I have mined this thing. I've mined 30 times. So in pi you just have to type on mining button after 24 hours. But this one you have to be it is based on block. So it is using block to do what, to mine its own coin. So if you don't take care of this block and it has reached, because the maximum block you can get if you didn't tap on it is 150. So after that 150, so they will suspend that mining session. So they have to suspend it until you have to tap that block receive BTCs button again. So once you tap on it, then you'll be able to continue mining. So that is it about block. So the block only lasts for 9 seconds per each block. 10 minutes per each block. So 10 minutes per each block. And once you have reached 150 block, which is maximum, so you won't be able to mine automatically anymore. So until you tap or receive BTCs, as you can see here, receive BTCs. So I have not type mine, so I won't tap here so that I can explain to you very, very well. And that is for next block. And this my hash here. You see this my hash that was written here. My own is 372.70k. So that's my hash that will make your BTCs to make it more faster. So we call something, if you want to get my hash, there are many ways to get my hash. So we call something that we call card. We have like Satoshi card, we have witness card, we have formation card. We have, if you want to see those cards, so once you have registered successfully, all those cards, if you want to see them, you just have to click on this hash card. So I have used on my own, so I don't have any hash card for now. I think tomorrow they will give me another one. So if you have free register, so I think they will give you like some card to get started, like raw card, anti card, so everything like that. So they have to give you card here. So it is that card that you'll be using. So if you want to use this card, it is not that you load the card or something like that. It's halfway on how to use that card. You hear? So it's halfway on how to use that card. So if you want to use that card, so you have to make sure that you join some Telegram channel, Telegram group. That is where we normally use the card by ourselves. And apart from that, we also have something which is called GiftCard. So as you can see here, this is the gift card here. And what is this gift card? So the gift card is that once let's assume you use my link to register now. If you use my link to register and you successfully and you finish your KYC process, so once you are finishing your KYC process, then this gift card here, I have to copy it for you. So once I copy it for you as a new miner, because you can only use the card once, so you can't use it 2 times or 3 times. You can only use the card once. So once you have used it once, so you don't have you won't be able to have access to use card by yourself. So you have to be giving the card to another person. As you can see, I have like 10 card because I don't have any new users here. So I still have plenty card that I have not given out. So if you are giving this card out, so you'll be receiving another extra hash. So this app is very deep, but I have to explain my own part because I have been mining this thing since December, but I don't understand it very well until last week that I just have to make some research and read everything from A to Z, and I have got everything clearly. So I just have to explain little from the little I know. So that's my hash. That's about my hash. It is my hash that will make your BTCs to be more faster, and to be more plenty, because BTCs, let's assume it is pi. So if it was pi, you can mine like 5 pi in a day, like that or something like that. But this one, for you to mine one ordinary BTCs, it's not an easy job because BTCs is very scarce. Pi 2 is scarce. So BTCs is scarce, Pi 2 is scarce. So both mining have their both coin, they are scarce. And mind you, BTCs 2 have their own blockchain. So they not rely on anybody, They have their own blockchain. Ethereum, it has its own blockchain. Bitcoin 2 has its own blockchain. BNB 2 has its own blockchain. So this one too, the BTCs, has its own blockchain as well. So which means it is a stable coin. So once they launch it fully, because from what we are told is that this BTC will be launched on I think it's June or July. So they will launch fully on June or July, and the mining will stop on December this year. So once the mining stops, so nobody will be able to mine anymore. So it is all the people that have mined already that will be keep enjoying their coin. So that's it about that. And that's it about my hash. So let's assume you just register. So you got only like 100k hash because you are just a new miner. So once you keep doing it, so if you don't understand about that hash card, so make sure that you join my Telegram channel so that I can explain everything from you A to Z. So if I don't remember anything here, so I will explain everything from A to Z. So make sure that you join my Telegram channel. So, and if you are there, make sure that you are following the updates. So that's it. And about the BTCs here, so this BTCs is your main coin that you have. As you can see, my own 41. I've been mining since December, and all the coin I have now is only 41 coin. So BTCs is not easy to do what? It's not easy to mine like Pi. So it is very scarce. So that is the total of my own BTC that I've been mining since December last year. So, and I've got only 41. And this BTC too, as you can see, I have like 0.0003060 BTC. That BTC, let's assume you finish register now, you also be given extra BTC. So which means this app, it has many ways to earn. So the more you work on it, the more you earn. So it has many ways to earn. And that's it about that. And this contributed means how many people that you invited. These miners, it means how many people that you invited. And this contribution means all the people that you invited, how many of them are online. So how many of them are contributing there to BTC stuff. So let's assume you invite like 10 people and only 5 people are contributing to this network. So this is where you will see all those people that contributed here. As you can see, my own here 402k. So which means the more people that that contributed to this network, so the more people that the more my BTCs2 will be keep rising, and I will be earning more coin. That's it about that. And another thing that I want to explain here is recruit miners. If you want to refer someone, so you have to click on recruit miners, and you will be redirected to this area. So it is from this area that you have to copy the URL. So once you copy the URL, you can share it with your friends and family, and they can use your link to register. So So that's it about that. I think you have understand my hash. So that's my hash. There are many things other this thing that you don't understand. So I just have to explain the little. So if you have any further question that if you want to know more about it, then kindly join my Telegram channel so that you can ask any question and I can answer you straightforward. So then, since we have known about all this top here, let us get down to this section as well, all this section here. So at first we start from mining. This mining shows how many blocks that you have been mined. As you can see here, my own has reached 14 blocks, and this time I have started again. As you can see, this is another 10 minutes again. So which means every 30 minutes I will be getting one block every 30 minutes. So and I will make sure that our block does not reach 150. It's not reach because if it reach 150 and I didn't tap on this receive BTCs, then the mining will suspend automatically until you tap on receive BTCs and you receive your block successfully. So once you receive your block, all your coin that is here, they will be added to this BTCs section. So that's it about that. And about mining factory, the mining factory is the people that you refer. So this is where you'll be seeing all those people that you refer. This is where you'll be seeing them, all the people that they are contributing to the network. This is where you'll be seeing every one of them. As you can see, these are the people that I have referred here. So this one is online. If you see mining, then that means the person is still mining. So if you see register, that means the person registered but did not complete the registration. And if you see like awaiting suspended, that means the person have finished registration and it has finished do what, but it has not received its own block since that time, and the block has been suspended automatically. So the person have to click on this receive BTCs. So once the person click on this receive BTCs, then all this block that it has been mined automatically will be calculated to this BTCs section area. So that's it about that. And chatting, if you want to chat some people here or your people that you refer, so you can also chat here. As you can see, this is my own chatting here that I chatted my people up, and the hash card. So if you are a new user, you'll be given hash card. So the hash card can be anti card, B2 card, formation card, witness card, Satoshi card, and many things like that. So there are plenty. So that's hash card. It has way to use it. So if you want to use that hash card, it's not that you load this like normal card. No, it's not a normal loaded card. So it's have way how we do it. So I think I have to explain that one in another video again. Or if you want to know it very quickly, just make sure you join my Telegram channel. As I said earlier, join my Telegram channel so that you can ask your question and I will answer you. And the gift card, I've explained that too. So the gift card, once you, let's assume I copy this code here. So if I copy this code, you know, as you can see, copy successfully. You can now share it with your friends. So let's assume you are a new user. I will just tell you to paste this code under this thing. You just have to, you know, I'm the one that's copy. So your own is to just click on poster, or you know, my own. Let's assume you are a new user. So it will have session where you will be told to do what? To input the gift card code. So once you put the gift card code, so you'll be given another 30k hash. So me that I refer you, I will get only 1k hash rate. While you that I refer, so you get only 30k hash. So which means you are getting more hash than me. And the more you get your hash, and the more you keep mining very quickly. So the more you keep mining very quickly, you see, as you can see, my own hash here is 372, and my referral hash here, my guy here, it has reached like 536, and the other guy, it has reached like 440k hash rate. So that is it about that. So the more your hash rate, then the more you keep earning very quickly, and the more your coin keep increasing every day by day. So that's it about that. And what else is another that I want to explain? And let's assume you have finished using all those cards, then you can, if you want to refresh and get new results, you can just do as refresh here. And let me explain about this block. As I said earlier, that if you didn't click on receive BTCs, if you didn't click on it, if you didn't click on receive BTCs, so and once the block has reached 150 blocks, as you can see my own is still in 14 blocks, so which means I have not, if I click on receive BTCs now, so everything will get back to 0, so which means that's 150, so I have to keep accumulating more BTCs automatically without tapping anything. So as you can see here, the mining will automatically suspend if 150 blocks have not received. So let's assume I have received 40 blocks, I have participated in 40 blocks now, and if I click on receive BTCs, let me click on it. As you can see, so it has now get back to 0 blocks, which means as you can see here, my BTCs has increased more. So that's what I'm telling you guys. And let's assume you are a new user, so you will see area where you will do what, you will be able to get free BTC. So once you keep on referring people, they will be giving you free BTC. As you can see here, if I click on menu here, as you can see my own BTC, you can even withdraw your own BTC. So it is only your BTC that you can withdraw. The BTC cannot be withdrawable at this moment. So if you click on withdraw, so you see that BTCs withdraw is not available at the moment. So it is not withdrawable for this now, but you can just keep accumulating it. So and you cannot deposit, and you cannot do what, you cannot transfer. So it is only your BTCs that you can, or your Ethereum that you can transfer. So if I click on BTC, and as you can see, the withdraw button is here and the transfer button is there. So if I click on withdraw, so I'll be asked to input my wallet address, so and everything like that. So that's it about that. I think I've done with that. And this is where you are. If you want to change your email, your rename, authenticate, and make sure that the name you want to use on this app, make sure that is the same that is your government ID card. So make sure that it is the same. Don't use another name. So once you do all that, I think that's everything for now. So once you finish all that, then you just have to keep on referring people. So I've told you on how to refer people, by just click on this recruit miner here. So once you click on recruit miners, then you copy your URL code. Once you copy your URL, so you send it to the person. Once the person tap on it, it will redirect them to to OneWeb. So once it's directed to OneWeb, they have to click on register. Once they click on register, and mind you, this application is only meant for, I don't think it's available for iPhone users. So it's not available for iPhone users. It is only available for what? For Android users. So if you are using iPhone and you don't have an Android phone, so this thing will not work for you, because they have not built the app on iOS. They only built the app for Android. Although they may build the app for iOS in the future, but for now, it is only Android that can enjoy this thing. So make sure that you use Android to do it. So that's it. I think in the next video we'll be talking about this HashCard, as I said earlier. So maybe tomorrow, before I did my own, because I'm supposed to get another card tomorrow. So and apart from this HashCard, there are many ways to earn as well. By referring people, that's another way, and by receiving by doing test transaction. So that is another method, and I will tell you on how to create your own BTCs wallet address. So I will tell you all that as well. So just make sure you are following this video from A to Z. Don't miss anything, and make sure you watch everything from A to Z. And if you have any question and you are not clear enough, just join my Telegram channel and ask. So once you ask the question, I will answer you immediately and saw the message. So that's it about that. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe. If you have already subscribed, don't forget to like and share with others that want to know about this as well. So in the next one, we'll be talking about how to earn more BTCs coin. See you in the next one. Bye for now.